This is the lesson on borrowing with fractions. We talked about how you don't get tens when you borrow with fractions because you get whatever you need, whatever the denominator is. So in this case, we're borrowing from 5 1/4, and it says we need to borrow because the top fraction is more than the bottom fraction. We can't take 3 from 1, so we have to borrow. So we take the 5, cross it out, and make it 4, which gives us 1 whole. We're taking 1 from the whole number, so we're taking this 1 that we borrowed over here and making it 4/4, which is equal to 1. We have to remember that we already have 1/4, so we combine them together. 4/4 plus 1/4 is 5/4. So I rewrote the fraction down here, and I have 4 and 5/4, which is my new fraction, minus 2 and 3/4, and now I can subtract because 5 is bigger than 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2/4, and then my whole numbers, 4 minus 2 is 2, and so my answer is 2 and 2/4, but I remember that the last step is that I always have to put my answers in simplest form. So I divide the 2 and the 4 by 2 to get it into simplest form, and my answer is 2 1/2. So to recap, the rules are when you have to borrow from the whole number and get whatever you need for the bottom. If it's fifths on the bottom, you need 5/5. If it's eighths on the bottom, you need 8/8. But remember to add it to what you already have, and then go ahead and do the subtracting and put it in simplest form.